mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper that
Okay, so a time step break. Let's do shuffle. Shuffle. Let's just go over time step. Yeah, shuffle, hop, step, lap step. You got that. You got that. So, a single buck break. Okay, we're going to start with the right shuffle. So I want to shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, step. Then shuffle, hop, lap, ball, change. So think of it like in two, this is just the break part, right? Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, lap, ball, change. Don't worry, I'll take a picture of the notes. Don't worry. So shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, lap, ball, change. So now, if I just did 3 regular time steps. Now, if I wanted to start, say I wanted to do something like 3 in a break, third time, I'm going to be on my left foot. So let's work this little break out on the left. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, lap, ball, change. I'm not throwing too much at you here. So the break on the left. So let's just work it out on the left. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, lap, ball, change. So if we were caught, that would be a left break. The break is on the left. Nothing fancy, right? So if you're doing, well, just for the sake of, most of the time stuff is done like 3 and a break. You see that a lot with time steps. You do 3 of a pattern and then a break. So do 3 single time steps. Shuffle, hop, break. Shuffle, hop, lap, ball, change. Am I going too fast? Or are you guys okay? Okay, let's just work it out. Oh, now I see. I forgot to shut off this light, so I get a glare. Here we go. Shuffle, hop, step. That was 3. Hop, step, shuffle, hop, lap, ball, change. Now I'm going to start on the left. Left foot. 3 single time steps. Now I'm starting the break on the right. Hop, lap, ball, change. All right, it's just a pattern. Just a pattern. So start on the right. Hop, step, shuffle, hop, lap, ball, change. Start again. Break. Ooh, all right. Got that? Not bad? Mets? Okay. Double break. Hi, Avery. All right, so the break. Shuffle, hop, flap. So I literally, I'm adding one sound to that little break sequence. Literally. So you have shuffle, hop, flap. So flap, put the weight on it, shuffle, step. Okay, first part. And guess what? It ends with shuffle, hop, flap, ball change. So bring it down. Shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, flap, ball change. Oh yeah, that means you gotta do 3 double time steps to start, right? 3 double time steps. Let's just go over that. So shuffle, shuffle, hop, flap, and shuffle, hop, flap. Remember this? You got it. So after the hop, flap, change sides, shuffle, hop, flap. I like double. There's no pause. Okay, there's no pause, so you're gonna, I know it's like you gotta know where you're going. But if you think shuffle, hop, 2 flaps in a row, okay, just think of it like that. Shuffle, hop, 2 flaps, flap, stamp. Just think of it like that. Think of it, shuffle, hop, 2 flaps, and a stamp. But you just keep that pattern going. Wish someone told me that when I was a little kid. All right, so the break, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, step. Shuffle, step. So the first part of the break, shuffle, hop, flap, ball change. Work it out on the left, just the break part. Shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, flap, ball change. Okay, we can do this. It's all steps you know. Don't overthink it. Take a breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Shuffle 3 times. Double, shuffle, time step. Then the break. Okay, right foot. Shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, flap, ball change. Guess what? Then we would switch. 3. Shuffle, hop. Shuffle, hop. And the break, flap, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, flap, ball change. You get it? Get some of it? Hand signals, thumbs up. Remember, this is like mezza. Do the double again. And we'll do the triple. So 3 double time steps. Yeah? I know how much you love double. And I know how much you love the left. Start on the left. Here we go. Shuffle, hop. Shuffle, hop. Shuffle, hop. Shuffle, we got triple, right? Okay, so skip right to the break. I know you know what triple time test. Triple, I can talk. Triple time step. Okay, now the break. Hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, pull, lap, pull, change. Hey, that second phrase part does not change. So the break. So the first shuffle is quick, second is a little slower. Shuffle, hop, full, lap, ball, change. They all end that way. Right foot break part. Do it again. Work it out on the left. Shuffle, hop, full, lap, ball, change. Okay, let's see what happens. We can do it. Take a little breath. Take a little sip of water. Or sip of tea. Can you see that? It says immature, a word for boring people used to describe fun people. Immature. I don't know if it's backwards for you guys. A word boring people use to describe fun people. Yep. I wouldn't say I'm immature though. Nah. All right, let's do it. Three triples, triple time step with a triple buck break. Ready? Right foot, 5, 6, 8. I went right to the break. 1, 2, hey. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, pull, lap, ball, change. Other side. I almost messed it up trying to say it at the same time. Sorry. Again. I get it. Right and left. 3 and a break. Right foot. Break. Shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, pull, lap, ball, change. Shuffle, shuffle, step. Break. Shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, pull, lap, ball, change. All right. Time steps. Oh, remember the toe tap one? I know, I'm like a squirrel. Okay, we got the break, right? Toe tap, break. So a toe tap time step. Shuffle, hop, toe step. You got a toe step. The lap step. The trick is, don't cross too much. You just toe jabbing, and then you gotta step. So don't get too comfortable leaning on that toe in the back. Hop, toe, step, full lap step. Hop, toe, step, full lap step. So that's the toe tap time step. Like a tongue twister. So shuffle, hop, toe, step. Full lap step. So like all of these, obviously I'm doing them straight time, but you could swing it. Yeah, swing it. So the break, shuffle, step. And guess what? It ends, shuffle, hop, a lap, ball, change. Just like the rest of them, right? So the break, shuffle, hop, toe, jab it. Step, shuffle, step. Hop, toe, lap, ball, change. So if I did 3 toe jab time steps. Shuffle, hop, toe, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, toe, lap, ball, change. And I could change sides. So it's the same kind of pattern like the rest of them, right? It ends. So you got that part, right? It's just a little bit shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, full lap, ball, change. If you did it on the other side, shuffle, hop, toe, step, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, full lap, ball, change. Hey, yeah. All right, swing. Give me 3 swing. What is the plural term of swing? Swung? Give me 3 toe tap and then the break. But we're gonna swing it. Now you do it on the left 3 times. All right. Nice.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.